Troubleshoot. Compressor does not start, compressor trips frequently, poor cooling and gas shortage.
Servicing flow sequence for compressor does not start. Check the remote control. There may be a defect in the remote control. Check fuse. It could be fuse blown, high current drawn by compressor, low voltage. Check relay coil. It could be a relay coil burnt out or a high voltage. Check thermostat. The thermostat contact could be open. The thermostat feeler capillary could have been broken, or there could be just some mishandling. Check the overload protector. The overload protector contact could have opened. The overload protector could have tripped. Or it could be a high voltage. Or the overload protector is defective. Check the selector switch. The selector switch contacts may be open. A loose wire clips, a defective selector switch, worn out knobs and screws. Check wiring. Either the wiring is burnt out or there could be loose connections. Check the compressor motor. The windings could have burnt out. Defective running capacitor. It could be a low voltage or it could be a high voltage. Servicing flow sequence for compressor trips frequently. Check the thermostat. The setting is in the low range. Thermal bulb location, or there could be just the control knob is loose. Check the overload protector. Correct rated value. Check the suction and discharge pressures. Check the wiring. Check for leaks. Check the condensing fan. Check the condenser fins. Servicing flow sequence, poor cooling and gas shortage. Check the refrigerant for contamination of the refrigerant, non-condensable gases with the refrigerant, improper evacuation of the service cylinder. Check in the evaporator. There could be a minute leak in the evaporator coil outlet. There could be a minute crack in the line. Check the suction line. There could be a minute leak in the suction line. This could be due to poor breathing, and there could be a minute crack in the suction line. Check refrigerant pressure. There could be insufficient refrigerant charge, or there could be an error in the gauge or a block in the charging line. Now that you have gone through these 12 exercises in this instructional presentation, you will be well aware of the problems that arise and how to solve them in the field. These are the main exercises in the repair and maintenance of window and split air conditioners. Study these carefully, for tomorrow you will actually face them in the field. When they do arise, you will be able to solve them with absolute ease.